Hi everybody, welcome. This is Cherie with Rehashfiber. All right, today we're going to talk about a fun project you can do when you have a ton of yarn that you would like to use up. All right, so my background story is I enjoy spinning with wild abandonment. So anything at all, we'll just go for it without the project in the end in mind. Sometimes there is a project in mind, but most cases, I like the color, I like the way it feels, I just want to try something, I just want to spin. So, I ended up with a whole lot of fiber because both kids went off to college and I thought, let's do this. Let's do a big project. So I ordered 6 pounds of Dorset horn fleece and off to town I went. I learned the picking, the cleaning, and then we went on to the dyeing and the prepping for Spin Together Week. So I had all of this pretty much ready to go to be spun for Spin Together. Okay, now I've got all this yarn and some of it matches, some of it doesn't. The Dorset horn is it's kind of rough. It's very chunky. I don't mind because I think that just gives yarn character to let it be how it is. Okay, but I wanted to do something with it. So I browse pictures all the time and I also think about things all the time. And I came up with this idea. So I do weave with a rigid Heddle 32-inch loom, and I saw a wrap in a picture, and I also was in Boulder, Colorado, and I saw women actually on Pearl Street wearing things that look like blankets and wraps kind of, and I'm like, oh, people really do wear this, because I live in Florida and there is no way we can wear that. I mean, even on our coldest day, maybe we could, but that's really not something we would do often. But I thought, aha, people are wearing what I'm seeing in the pictures. So I call it the Free Spirit wrap because I knew I was just gonna start with a color I liked and go with the next color I liked. And then as I would look back, I would think, what color have I not used? And grab another color. So it ended up coming out really cool. The warp is just gray cotton. I wanted something that would not stand out from the store. And then all these crazy ends are from all of this. And I wanted to leave them out to add a little flair. So what I would do is just cut enough to go over and back and knot it, and do that however many times I wanted my row to be. So I could show you on me, but I've got pictures at the end of it styled up really nice so you can see what it's like, but you get the idea. Goes around you, kind of fluff it up, you can put a little stick here, you can do other things with it, wrap it over, and it's kind of cool. So it's not soft, so you definitely want to wear clothes underneath it. You know what I mean. So anyway, that's how that goes. So we'll show you how it all came together, starting with buying the fleece. All right, so you saw how that was done. Pretty cool, huh? All right, so when I finish a woven item, I like to check out the fringe and see if it needs to be twisted. It just depends on your yarn and how you feel like handling it to whether you use a fringe twister. I think like when you have unique yarn like this, it's cool to leave it free. Of course, if we twisted this, it'd just be so thick and weird. So that is appropriate, I think, to leave that free and crazy. But this regular cotton over here, rather than leave it dangle, I use the fringe twister. So it's up to you. The most important thing is, though, you need to secure your yarn in its weave. So by twisting it, it's the every other so that it is twisted and hold it. This is knotting it so that it holds it. So this is the maple quad end fringe twister. It's from Etsy the knit store. I use this. It speeds things up. I have a short tutorial next if you want to learn how to do it. All right, that's it for the free spirit wrap. Enjoy using up your yarn. Thanks for watching. Happy weaving. There are going to be times when you're going to want to make the fringe at the end of your project look really nice and complete. So I use a fringe twister. This one is called the Maple Quad End Fringe Twister. It's from Etsy, the knit store. And what you do is you attach 4 strands like you see here, making sure they alternate top and bottom, and then you twist it. If you see it untwisting, then you just know you need to go in the other direction. So you twist it until it's got a nice springy twist to the yarn, and then you remove it, knot it, and then you make sure that the twist is in it and kind of goes all the way up to the project, to the yarn. So quick note, before you start any of this, you want to measure your fringe to the length that you want, and just know that this twisting and knotting is going to take up about 1 inch. So then you just trim it and go from there. Enjoy your twisted fringe, and thanks for watching.